Welcome to WebStarBus. In this video, I will show you how to fix enter network credentials error on Windows. An error appears when you try to enter your network credentials. It usually says username or password is incorrect. There are several methods to fix this Windows security error message. Try this. Press Window key and search Control Panel. Click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Advanced Sharing Settings, expand All Networks, and under Password Protected Sharing, select Turn off Password Protected Sharing. Select this option, and then click Save Changes. In Windows 11, it's the same method, but there you may have toggle switch instead of radio buttons. Now try connecting to network PC and see if issue is resolved. If not, try this. Press Window key and type Local Security Policy. Click Local Security Policy, select Local Policies, expand it, and then select Security Options. This is the option Accounts. Limit local account use of blank passwords to console logon only. Double click it. Make sure it's enabled. After that, see if the problem is fixed. If not, try this. Search Settings. Click Settings, click Network and Internet, click Network Reset. Press this button, Reset Now. After this, your PC may need a restart. After that, see if the problem is resolved. Most probably after this, after Network Reset, your problem will be resolved and you will be able to log on to another PC without any issue, without credentials error. If you are comfortable with the commands, you can also use following commands to reset network. ipconfig /release, ipconfig renew, and then ipconfig flushdns. Use these commands one by one. In search, type command prompt or CMD. Click command prompt, and here you have to use these commands one by one. These commands will drop your current IP, get a fresh IP, and clear DNS cache or cache. After this, your PC may need restarting. Then see if the issue is resolved. If not, then here is the final solution. But before that, let me define a few terms. So there is client, server, and SMB. So client is the PC that is accessing the other PC. Server is the PC that is sharing something for the client, and server is being accessed by the client. And SMB stands for Server Message Block. It's a network file sharing protocol that allows computers and devices to share files, share printers, access network drives, and send data between each other on the same network or across networks. Okay, now that we know about server, client, and SMB, open PowerShell on client machine. Like press Window key from keyboard and type PowerShell. Windows PowerShell. This is Windows PowerShell. Here you have to use those commands one by one. Okay, so for the client, use these two commands for the client. Set-SmbClientConfiguration -enableinsecure-guest-logons true-force. And then Set-SmbClientConfiguration -required-security-signature false-force. These commands allow client to log on to server as a guest and not require SMB sign-in when talking to the server. Then on the server, the PC that is sharing files, use this command. Set-SmbServerConfiguration -required-security-signature false-force. It tells server not to require SMB sign-in from clients that connect to it. These three commands for server and client are needed. These two will run on client and this will run on server. For a connection to succeed, both client and server rules must agree. That is why we need these three commands. One for server, two for client. After you have used these commands, try to log on. One thing to note, these commands weaken SMB security by allowing guest logons and disabling security signatures. that exposes PC to unauthorized access. So when you are done, revert these settings to default by using these commands. These two for clients and this is for server. Enable insecure guest logon false, require security signature true. Requires security signature, here it will also be true. I will share these commands in the video description. So these are several methods. Let me know in comments which worked for you. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.